Hotel Cheyenne. And then here we are, we're going to Dock Holiday, right? We are going up this way to Dock Holiday. We're passing the laundry right now and they have an ice machine in there, just in case you're wondering. Alright, this is us right here. Ta-da! Are you ready for me to open it? We're gonna open... So we are room 1502. The door has this little detail and it looks like a big sort of barn door. You come in, there's the power and the main light switch. And then we have a little hanging space for your hanger needs, and then some space for your shoes, a safe that you can set to your own passcode, and then some space here. I think that might be a pack and play for kids, I'm not sure, I haven't looked. Some extra pillows that I actually moved from the drawers over here. Over here we have a little sort of table-y thing. Don't have a chair for it, but yeah, you could use it if you have to. And we get this little bag with a couple of cups and a water. And then we have some pegs we're using as a hat rack. As we come in, there's lots of space. We have a sofa here which pulls out to be a bed. And then the main bed here, I think it's just a double. I don't think it's, I'm not sure what size specifically it is. And then if we come around here, there's the TV area. That did say the name, like the guest name up here. It says welcome to Disney or whatever. And we have Miraculous Ladybug playing. I am choking on deodorant. So then the drawers are a really good space. I'll show you inside this one. This one doesn't have much clothes in it. This has our snacks and such. Yeah, they're a good space. There's a little Woody lamp, which is super cool. Theming. And a really cool horseshoe mirror that I really like. And a bench. I know some of these rooms come with 2 double beds, and I really hoped that we would get the sofa bed, and we did, so yay. But we do have a bench just in case. And then the window there has some Woody themed curtains. They look like his jeans. And we are on the ground floor and we're looking, oh, how do we open this? We're looking out to the street. It's pretty cool. In this section here, you do get a few different types of plug. So I'm not sure what these ones are, but this one has the pin. This one doesn't have a pin. And then here is obviously the UK plug, and then you get 2 USB outlets. We brought an extension cable with individual power outlets so that we could just not have to worry about it. But I did bring one of these in case that wasn't working. And then we've got our charging stuff. Some Woody lamps all over, and then up the top we have theming, which is awesome, and a really cool painting. So then from here we can go into the bathroom, and we come in, we see the lovely commode and a nice big sink area. As you can see, I've already set out all the stuff and lots of space. There's even a shelf up here if you need it. I have used it. Extra towels up there, and then if I can get a good angle, a really big mirror with some good lights above it. A built-in hairdryer, so take note because I know it does say on the website hairdryers are subject to availability upon request, but actually it's built in. We did bring our own just in case anyway. And then if we close that over, there's some hooks up here, and here is the shower area. So it's got like this wood backsplash, and it's quite a short tub, but I think it's quite deep. And a handle there for safety. Lovely, we love safety. And some horseshoe. And we have shampoo and conditioner down here. And then a big squeezy all-in-one, I think this is. Shampoo and body wash, yes, it's an all-in-one. We're actually using it as hand soap because we prefer that to the bar of soap. But you do get a bar of soap. And a couple of cups. We have a Toy Story cup and a Hotel Cheyenne cup. So yeah, that was a room tour. And we will show you some of the resort slash hotel outdoor space when we're out there.